I wanted to capture a shot where a Nerf bullet was flying out the end of this Nerf gun in slow motion while the camera was simultaneously rotating around the end of the Nerf gun. So I've got a tripod here with a friction arm off to the side that's holding the Nerf gun. So this is all just stationary. And then on the ball head of the tripod, I've got an extension arm with the Canon R8 out there on the end, and also this little fill light off to the side here. So this whole thing can rotate around the end of the Nerf gun. Now, this isn't a slow-mo camera, so this entire scene is going to be filmed at regular speed, and then the Nerf bullet will be added into the video in post. So I also have this electric turntable here with the Nerf bullet on top of it, a green screen in the background, and then my phone recording a nice close-up macro video of the Nerf bullet rotating. This is a VFX shot, so everything that you see in the finished video is going to be made out of real elements. It's just that these elements are being filmed separately. Now there's a moment where the Nerf bullet is going to be exiting the barrel of the Nerf gun, and when it does, it's leaving this hole, this dark hole where there's not any light hitting it, and then it's entering the room. So I have this piece of cardboard here, and I'm gonna block the light out from hitting the Nerf bullet right about there. I still want as much light spilling onto my green screen, so it's easy to key out. I'm gonna let that rotate a little bit, and then just slowly remove that. And that's gonna be the moment that the Nerf bullet leaves the barrel, right there when the light starts hitting it. So that's the setup, and here's the final shot.